sunrise in my eyes, just like a new day, a breath of fresh air in my life. I don't know how, don't know why, but I'll be toasting all my life.
Hey guys, it's Matt and Blair here. Literally, it was a year ago, right? It was a year, May 13th, May 12th, something like that. Slipped and broke my leg. I slipped. I fell off of a rock wall and stuff. Right. Let's see. Right there is the top of basically a 1,500 foot ascent in Buena Vista. How did they say it here? Buena Vista. I don't know. We're from Texas. It's Buena Vista. Look at the view. Right there. But yeah, look at all this. And literally back there are all the 14ers that we're gonna go climb this week. Right? No?
I'm pretty happy with the 9er.
Yeah. No, is it 9? Yeah, 9,500 feet. Buena Vista is at 8,000, right under 8,000 feet. So we made it pretty far. It took us about an hour and a half, 2 hours. We couldn't do our 14er that we wanted to do, so we had like literally 4 14ers in mind, like, you know, 1 main one and 3 backups. We couldn't do any of them because of all the rain that is back in that area. Yeah, so instead we're at the top of this peak. Still not a bad day.
First time around, oh, it's sweeter, the time here and now, oh, it's sweeter, the first time around, oh, it's sweeter, the time here and now. I played the dice right and let the good times roll. One knee and one ring, forever it's our show. I don't know how and don't know why, but I'll be toasting all my life.
Why? Don't drop him, babe.
I got him.
The nest is right up there. Oh, there's more. Be careful. Oh my goodness. This.
Alright, so they're placed next to each other.
He was just laying, he was just laying right there in the middle of the path, and I thought he was dead.
Yeah.
I'm obviously, I've been crying, but we didn't want to leave him because I was going to move him out of the path so nobody crushed his little body, and then he started looking like he was hungry, and he was actually alive. So what did you looked something up?
Yeah, so I looked something up online. It said first step, basically, don't try to feed it. Don't do anything except for look around for the nest. And it said once you find the nest, you can either take the nest with you to try to basically get it back to life, or set it aside somewhere to where I guess the mama bird can find it. There's already another nest with another baby chick in there, and so we just got a plastic bag to where we weren't touching it with our hands, but it was trying to get fed, and so it seemed like it was just going right back to normal, and so it's back up in there in the nest. And there's some high winds earlier, and that's what happened. I think the winds just kind of blew it out and kind of landed down and kind of rolled because there's like a little hill right down here. So, but it seems okay now. So yeah.
You did good.
What that song?
Copyright.
Oh.
Alright, wait.
What's up, you guys?
What's up, guys? Welcome to this video. So, first of all, we'll start the video by introducing y'all to somebody. So, this is my brother, Parker.
Hey guys.
Tell me 3 interesting things about yourself.
Not very interesting. You're supposed to prepare me.
Oh, okay. That's our trailer.
They know the trailer already.
This is Blair, and that's Matt. Parker actually came to visit here in Buena Vista, and we're gonna go to Vail this weekend. So I thought we could take you guys with us as we, I don't know, hang out for the day. We're gonna go get some breakfast, maybe hike. I don't know what else. Okay. He's right there. Bunny. I'm showing this to show how bumpy it is. This is crazy.
Alright, I'll give you the truck. We're doing this.
Out of how many?
4 there, 4 back. I gotta do it with this camera. Yeah.
Nice.
I gotta do it that way. Good. Y'all are actually getting pretty close to it.
Wow. It's the little things.
Woke up this morning with the sunrise in my eyes. Just like a new day, a breath of fresh air in my life. I don't know how, don't know why, but I'll be toasting all my life. My boots and briefcase are waiting at the door. My ride sweeter to meet the one I love. I toasting all my life. Oh, it's sweeter the first time around. Oh, it's sweeter the time here and now. Oh, it's sweeter the first time around. Oh, it's sweeter the time here and now. I played the dice right and let the good times roll. One knee and one ring, forever it's our show. I don't know how and don't know why, but I'll be toasting all my life.
Jeez. And does that show the elevation? Nice. So we went Dang. Alright. Now what?
Food.
Lots of it. Nice.
I don't do a few things. Like a bee.
It's so cold. So we made it. Oh,
Where did we make it to?
that hike.
Yeah, we made it.
I almost didn't.
My knee almost didn't make it on the way down.
I definitely wanted to stop and turn around after about mile 3.
Yeah, I know, and that's kind of why I was excited about Parker being here, because I know that you'll actually go through with the hike if your brother's here.
I didn't really have a choice.
Yeah.
He just kept going.
Yep.
But we made it up, and it was, as you guys could see, it was gorgeous. Just an amazing lake. There was snow, which as a Texan is mind-blowing that snow still exists in June. But total round trip, my phone clocked it in at almost 10 miles. We were hiking for 5 hours. I think it was about 5 hours total, like hiking. So we are completely wiped out. I'm at almost 30,000 steps for the day on my little Fitbit. That's crazy.
This is after a week of hiking too as well. We stayed really active this week.
Yeah.
More so than any other week. And your Fitbit. So if y'all are Fitbit followers, basically how many steps did you almost got 30,000 today.
I just said that.
Yeah, but I'm just reiterating. I know.
Yeah.
That's pretty crazy.
27,000.
We're gonna get 30,000. We're gonna have you just walk around this RV park.
I'm just gonna pace around. I'm exhausted, but I was gonna show you guys the little setup that we have. So since we have a guest, he's actually at the showering. They have a little restroom facility here. Since we have a guest, we have not yet had a guest in the trailer before. We since the dogs aren't here, they don't have their stuff there. So we have this little table. Before we left, Matt took the legs off of this table, and so now it's just serving the purpose of making this like a little day bed, and then he's got his bedding, and it's actually a really good size. And then the underneath is now storage for his stuff. So it's working out. It actually works out really well. The downside is that he got in really late last night. It was like 1:30. And then
In the morning.
yeah, and then it gets light at about 5 here, and then it stays light until about 9. I don't know why, but as soon as it gets light, this door. Oh no! Oh, that's my sunscreen. It's okay. So this door,
Something always with you.
light beams through this, and then I was up like making coffee and stuff. So.
And then we woke him up.
And then I woke him up real fast. But that's okay, because we got a good start to the morning. We went to breakfast at the Evergreen Cafe, which is a cute little diner here. Really, really cute. It's mostly out, well, it's got a lot of outdoor seating, and then you walk in and it's like the actual diner setting. You know, you sit at the little bar, and then they've got the kitchen behind it. And then they've got some indoor seating as well, but a lot of good diner food. And so that was good. Started out the day there, and then we went on our hike, and we're gone all day. We spent a little bit of time in town just now. We got some veggie burgers over at Buena Viking.
It's Buena Vista here.
We got tots, we got sweet potato fries.
Can't go wrong with tots.
Yeah, so it's been a really, really good day. One more night here, and then we're going to Vail tomorrow, and we're actually staying in Vail.
And
I've
I
never
took the
been to
day
Vail,
off.
and he's got the day off.
So I took the day off.
So his first vacation day
Of the year.
of the year.
I took one day.
I'll be working still on and off, but that's fine. It's, you know, mine's mostly email based. But I think I'm going to end the vlog here. Hopefully you guys are enjoying the Colorado Chronicles and all of the beautiful scenery. We're trying to get as much footage as possible.
Welcome! You're on the vlog now. Well, see ya! Have fun out there.
We're trying to get as much footage as possible for you guys because I know that a lot of you guys like to see all of the beautiful scenery. Oh, last bit. 3 interesting things about yourself. Go.
From Austin, I drove 14 hours overnight to get here. I'll count that as 2, and my dogs are more famous than I am on Instagram, so yeah.
That's true. Roman and River, right? On Instagram?
Yeah.
It's just Roman and River. I'll put their Instagram handle in here and you guys can go follow them.
Yeah, everyone just go follow them. Why not?
It's actually really good Instagram.
You're gonna get like...
Y'all should go follow our niece and nephew dogs. Oh, the world today. Okay, that's going to be it for today's video. Hopefully y'all enjoyed it. Make sure and hit that thumbs up if you did. Leave us some comments below.
Hope y'all have fun out there.
Bye, guys.